Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cash out or withdraw your funds from Cash App into your bank account. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have this Cash App support guide opened up simply because I do not have Cash App access in my region at the current moment. So this is the best that I can do and I hope you guys don't mind. But without further ado, let me get right into the process. Now, as you can see, you can do that in the app or online, completely up to you. And for this, you will need to have a connected bank account, which you more than likely have through your debit card if you've set up your Cash App account correctly. Now, to withdraw money from the app, what you need to do is you need to tap on the Money tab in your Cash App home screen, then press Withdraw, and then choose whichever amount you would like to withdraw. You can add a custom balance if you want to, and then withdraw as much money as you would like. Select a transfer speed and then confirm with your PIN or Touch ID or your Face ID if you have the security lock on. Now, if you select the transfer speed to be the standard, you will need to wait a day or two for it to be withdrawn. However, if you choose the fast one, it'll be done immediately. However, you will have a short or a small fee which you will need to pay. In this guide, you'll see an example of 35 cents for the instant version. But that is pretty much it. Now, to withdraw money online, just log into cash.app/account, click on money on the left of the screen, click withdraw under your cash balance, choose or enter an amount, and click continue, and then select your bank account and transfer speed, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.